Hi, this is Mel. It's the middle of spring here in Southern California, and we had the great weather from 60 to 70 Fahrenheit during the day. But this coming week, we're gonna have a heat wave. It's gonna be like in the 90s, which is not really normal. So I think it's an indication that we're gonna have a hot summer this year. So I decided to go on my plan of putting an additional sunscreen. So right now I'm cutting the screen to fit. It's the same red screen that I used before. Today I have a couple of guests. I have my two granddaughters with me, and they said they're gonna help me with the project. Or maybe it's the other way around. I will start installing the hooks. I don't think this is a hook, but to me, it's a hook. No special tools here, just like the old times. This is how it's gonna look. By the way, the other side is aluminum, so it's aluminum, so I use a sticky or sticker. So here's the screen. I just finished sewing it. It's 25 feet in length. It's not something special. I just use zip ties to tie the screen. And here's the old guy Bob to finish the job. I put 18 inches in gap. I think the more ties you have, the more stronger the screen's gonna be. There's no special tools used, just the screwdriver, just like the old times, and a special hat or sombrero. And now for the finishing touches, we're just gonna be cutting the zip ties. And just for a special effects, a slow motion by the old guy. And here it is. I think we're done here. My trees will be very happy. I also installed an extra sunscreen. This is intended mainly for my maples. I hope this year we're gonna minimize leaf burns.